If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out EduDose by Dr. Satish Polshettiwar. Subscribe to the channel for more educational content and stay ahead in your learning journey. Imagine a young formulation scientist, Ria, working at a reputed pharma company. Her team has just developed a new sustained-release tablet in the R&D lab. The molecule is promising, but now comes the real challenge: transferring the technology from the lab scale to the commercial plant.
Ria, remember, the success of this drug depends not just on our R&D, but also on how smoothly we can transfer this process to manufacturing.
This is where technology transfer steps in. And here's where people often mix up two sides of the story: qualitative and quantitative technology transfer. Qualitative technology transfer is like sharing the story of the product. It's about know-how, understanding, and instructions. Think of it as the recipe with all explanations: why a certain excipient is chosen, what critical parameters matter, and what risks are possible. Quantitative technology transfer, on the other hand, is the data side. It involves numbers, validation batches, reproducibility, process capability studies, yield calculations, and statistical comparisons. Let's say Ria documents only the process steps. Mix for 10 minutes at 50 revolutions per minute. But she forgets to add why mixing time matters, or what happens if humidity is high. When the plant team tries it, the batch fails because the powder sticks and flowability reduces. This is a failure of qualitative transfer. The story behind the numbers was missing. Now imagine another scenario. Ria explains everything well: the science, rationale, risks, but doesn't provide data on scale-up, blend uniformity, or dissolution reproducibility. The plant team tries to run full-scale batches, but the yields drop from 95% in R&D to 75% in production. Without quantitative validation data, the process can't be optimized. So, successful tech transfer in pharma needs both wings to fly. Qualitative equals sign knowledge, reasoning, context. Quantitative equals sign data, validation, reproducibility. If one is missing, either the plant doesn't understand the process, or they understand but can't reproduce it consistently. Whenever you think of technology transfer, don't see it as a mechanical activity. It's a bridge of trust between R&D and manufacturing, built with both stories and statistics. That's what ensures the medicine reaches patients safely, effectively, and at scale.
Are you ready to take your learning journey to the next level? Discover more fascinating science topics and practical insights. EduDose by Dr. Satish Polshettiwar, your go-to educational channel. Whether you're a curious student or a lifelong learner, our bright and engaging videos make complex concepts simple and fun. Picture yourself surrounded by books in a vibrant classroom exploring a cutting-edge digital learning space, all designed to inspire and empower you. Don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button, join our community, and let's keep growing together. See you in the next
found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.